Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to change your name on Gmail using your Android device. If you need to update or correct your name on Gmail, it's a simple and easy process that we'll guide you through in this video. Step 1. First, open your device's Settings app and tap on Google. This will take you to your Google account settings. Step 2. Next, tap on Manage your Google account to access your account settings. Step 3. At the top of the screen, tap Personal Info to access your personal information settings. Step 4. Look for the option labeled Name and tap on it. Step 5. Here you'll see your current name. Tap on the pencil icon next to it to edit it. Step 6. Change your name to the correct name and tap Save to confirm the changes. And that's it. Your Gmail account will now display your updated name. Note that it may take some time for the changes to be reflected in all areas of your account. Changing your name on Gmail is a simple and easy process that can be helpful if you need to update your information for personal or professional reasons. It's also a good idea to keep your personal information up to date to ensure that you're getting the most out of your Gmail account. In addition, updating your name on Gmail can also help with account security and verification. Remember that your name is an important piece of personal information, and you should always make sure it's accurate and up to date on all your accounts, including Gmail. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful in changing your name on your Gmail account using your Android device.